Hello, welcome to Kyle's Car Farm. Today I'm here with this 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass S. This is one of the Colonnade cars, so-called Colonnade cars that they made from 73 to 77. And this one here is a really nice Survivor. So we're going to take a quick walk around and check this car out. This 75 Cutlass is a really nice Survivor car. The chrome's in good shape, the interior's nice, and it had a repaint about 10 years ago, so it really looks sharp now and shiny. Some of the features that I think are really cool about the originality of this car, it still has the original power beam headlights. It's got this, what I consider ugly and inconvenient, this deflector shield from Corydon, Iowa. These are made here in Iowa, and a lot of cars in the 70s had these big bug shields like this. I think they're kind of ugly and make it inconvenient to work on, but it's in really good shape. It's vintage, and that makes it kind of cool. Some other things as we walk around the car. It's got the original rally wheels, white wall tires. These are a lot newer than the car, but these are the Power Flow mud flaps. They're still probably a good 20, 30 years old at least. Another neat thing is in Iowa, they had vehicle inspections back in the late 70s, and this one still has the original inspection sticker above the rear view mirror. So not a lot of those have survived. I know if I had this car back in the 70s, I would have ripped that out of there. I don't like them, but the fact that they survived, that's really cool. Still has the original white vinyl top. It's got 98,000 miles, so this car shows it's really been well cared for over the years. It shows a little wear, but overall, the interior is really nice. It's clean. This thing has been garage kept and well cared for most of it, for all of its life, probably. I love the matching green interior. I think that's just one of the coolest things about 70s cars. Another cool thing on this thing has got dual ball chillers. Look at this. Even the passenger gets a ball chiller. That's pretty freaking cool. Another thing, it has these ashtrays for the rear passengers in the front door. So when you close the door, they got their own little ashtray. Still's got crank windows. I don't know that I'd want power windows in the 70s car, but it's still got crank windows. They'll never break. Another cool feature here in the interior is it has these like reverse clamshell. You can see that. But they're almost like a reverse clamshell vents. Yeah, I don't know if that'll come out on the video or not, but that's kind of a cool feature. Another thing, there's not a lot of original stuff left in this car, but I did find this old vintage ice scraper. Forsyth 66 service in Newton, Iowa. I also found this old case of fuses here. Western Auto, 5 fuses for 79 cents. That's pretty cheap. Shoot, they're like over $1 a piece now. Under the hood, the originality of this car continues. It has the Oldsmobile 350 engine, probably 350 transmission as well. I think it's really cool is the metallic blue that this engine is painted. Very original, not been restored. It's just a great Survivor car. All right, so let's just pan around and take a little more look at the exterior of this car. This thing it's sharp, it's in great shape. The paint is glossy. I don't know what color that paint is. Should look that up. If you know, put it down in the comments. I work at a paint store and I don't even know what color it is. I should have looked that up. Oh well, anyway, but like I said, just a really good, clean Survivor car. It's not rusty. It's not been patched. It's had a good repaint. They did the door jambs and whatnot too. Let's take a look in the trunk too. Now, let's see here. Got to get the key. Another cool feature, underside of the trunk's original. Look at that. Even got a full-size spare with a matching wheel. Don't get that nowadays. All right, but yeah, overall, just a really nice Survivor car. It's 50 years old. All right, well, that kind of wraps up the video for this 1975 Cutlass S. This vehicle will be going to a Mecum auction here soon. In fact, by the time this video is out, it may have already been through the auction. But I hope you enjoyed this walk around. Please like and share. Tried to build this channel. I really appreciate you watching this video from Kyle's Car Farm. What do you think, Shelby? Oh no. Come on, girl. We can edit this. What do you think? Is this a pretty cool car? Look at this. Oh, do you like it? She approves. Oh, you and your dirty paws. Love you, girl. All right, so let's just slow down here and give this interior a little bit more attention. Some big gauges here. AM radio. Green on green. This thing's awesome. Got the missus. It's got a vanity mirror. Well, who knows? Maybe the missus drove it. So we got an add-on vanity mirror over here. Dash is a little curling, but not cracked. It's just kind of pulling away from the base. I think we could probably take and secure it down here with some screws or something to make it look a little better. But not at this time. High, low, off, and missed. No delay wipers for this baby. Seat's in pretty good shape. It's got a little wear on the back there. But original material, 98,000 miles. No surprise there. Back seat's pretty nice. Of course, the interior plastics are a little faded, but you know, they're 50 years old. What do you expect, right? Headliner's nice. Still got the original star on the dome white lens. But yeah, seats are super soft. It's really comfortable. So I forgot to mention, this actually is not my car. It's an Oldsmobile, so you might be thinking, oh, that's, you know, Kyle's favorites. But no, I'm actually just cleaning this for somebody. I just did the interior on it. Cleaned up pretty good. It wasn't really very dirty. And on the passenger side, got some new door sill plates installed. They had a few dents in them, but so we put new ones of those in just to give it that extra little shine and pop. But yeah, overall, just a really nice Survivor car. This thing is going to make somebody a really nice cruiser. Going down the road, it's smooth, it's comfortable, has good acceleration from that old 350. Let's do one more little walk around the outside. Like I said, this is a really nice Survivor car. It's not rusty, it's not been patched up. It has had a repaint about 10 years ago. In fact, from the oil change sticker that I've seen inside, it's only had about 600 miles put on it in the last 10 years. So it's kind of a shame somebody had the repaint done on it and really didn't enjoy it too much after that. But maybe they were just taking it to local shows. But yeah, just a really nice car. Going to make a happy new owner. Like I said, it's going to be headed to Mecum, and somebody can become the proud new owner of this 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass S.